Hello everyone, I'm Isan. In this video, we'll see the latest features on iOS 17 which are very cool and interesting. Okay, now let's see how the feature looks and how to set it on the latest iOS 17 on your iPhone. For the first feature on the latest iOS 17 which is very interesting and cool is the contact poster feature. In the latest iOS 17 version, there are several new settings that you can change when you edit contacts on your iPhone. When editing contact photos, now you can also replace the contact poster with a super large display and fill all parts of your iPhone screen. For the appearance of the contact poster itself, you can change it to 3 different options. For the simplest option, here you can only display the contact name with the background color according to whatever color you want. And here you can also change the font thickness and also the font color displayed in the contact name. And then the second option that also looks very attractive is you can also display the contact poster view with Memoji and contact name. And then for the third option, you can also display a contact poster directly with photos of your contact. You can do it by simply select the photos in your iPhone gallery. And for the font option, of course, you can also adjust it as before. Here there are 4 different font choices, and you can also adjust the thickness of the font in this latest iOS 17 version. Then on the photo, you can also choose several effects according to the color of the photo. And in some of the effect options, here there are also color settings that you can choose from. For every new contact poster that you create, each of the contact names here will be directly stored in that contact option. And if you want to delete the contact poster that you created previously, you can swipe in the contact poster settings and tap the delete button. And to create a new one, you just need to click create new on the right. And here, even though the contact poster options is given quite a bit of flexibility with these 3 different options, the design will still look in line with other iPhone style design, which is quite similar to the design when you customize the lock screen display. And then the next cool feature that is also very new on iOS 17 is standby mode. The main function of this feature is to display the time, date, and other information on your desk when your iPhone is placed in landscape mode and the iPhone is in charging state. The goal here is to take advantage of the always-on display screen on your iPhone that already use an OLED display. So you can transform your iPhone to become a desk clock when you sleep at night. Then there is also a very interesting setting in this standby mode called the night mode setting. This setting will be automatically active by default, and the function of this night mode feature is to change the appearance of the standby mode to change the font color to red when the room environment is dark. The goal here, of course, to make the iPhone screen doesn't shine too bright when the room condition have turned dark because the lights have been turned off. For the night mode display with a red font, this will be automatically activated on various clock phases in this standby mode. And here there are 4 different displays in standby mode. For the initial display, here you will find a widget view that you can add according to the widget you want. And for the widgets that you can add in this standby mode is only the widget with a square size. And here you can add widgets both on the left and on the right side of the display. And for the second view, here is the standby mode for displaying photos. And for photos in this view will be automatically selected according to the photos on your iPhone. And then for the third choice, you can also change the clock face with a variety of clock displays that are also very attractive. Here there are 5 clock faces that you can immediately choose, and you can change the color according to what you want. And then there are also some other interesting things about this standby mode when you activate it on your iPhone. When you play the music on your iPhone and you activate this standby mode after that, the music option will also appear immediately in this standby mode in the top center of the screen. Here all you have to do is tap on the top center in the standby mode view, and then you can immediately access the music track that is being played in this standby mode view. And then when your iPhone is in standby mode and a phone call comes in, the call display will also appear immediately in landscape mode. And if the incoming call is from the contact that you have set the contact poster previously, the appearance of the photo and also the color that you have set will also appear in this section in landscape mode. Apart from that, when you activate your iPhone in this standby mode and there is an incoming notification, the notification will also immediately adjust and appear in landscape view. Here you can immediately see the appearance of the application icon and also the contents of the notification from this view. And then apart from displaying the music in standby mode, you can also display the timer on standby mode. If before activating standby mode, you previously activate the timer first, you can immediately see a very unique timer display in this standby mode. To show it, all you have to do is tap on the timer icon in the top center, and you can see the timer appear in full screen view in standby mode. And here the animation on the loading bar will also adjust to the time on the timer that you set previously. And then if you want to check other cool features on your iPhone, you can tap on the video that appears on your screen. Hopefully useful. See you in the next video.